Hi everybody, my name is Morgan Akins and this is my trade book lesson review. For this assignment, I chose to use the book What If There Were No Bees by Susan Slade, and this lesson addresses the next generation science standards that deals with objects and organisms that can be described in terms of their parts, and that systems have parts that work together in the natural and design world. So if you scroll down here, here is the lesson plan that I chose to review for grades K through 2nd. For the first part of the lesson, we're going to tell the students that we have a friend who was stung by a bee, and you heard him say that he wishes there were no bees in the world. So this is the hook for the lesson, and we're going to kind of use this to gauge the students' background and their experiences with bees, what they know about bees, to kind of feel out what they know so far. Next, we're going to show the students a video of bees in their natural habitat and have them observe what the bees are doing and ask them to describe what they see them doing. For the explain portion of the lesson plan, we're going to start reading What If There Were No Bees. We're going to read pages 1 through 9, and then we're going to stop. Once we get to the page where it says what would happen if bees became extinct, we're going to stop and we're going to do a picture walkthrough for the rest of the book. We're going to have the students point out the things that they notice for the remainder of the book, and then we'll circle back around to page 11 and read the rest of the book out loud. The next part of the lesson plan is the elaborate section. In the elaborate section of the lesson plan, we're going to revisit pages 6 and 7 in the book, which addresses how pollen sticks to the bee's legs. The students then will create a model of how pollen sticks to the bee's legs using craft supplies. With the models that they make, they will then explain how the pollen sticks to the bee's legs. After that, they will be instructed to write a letter to a friend that explains why bees are important and what the world would be like without bees in it. In the letter that the students created should address the main issues presented in the book on how not having bees affects the ecosystem. All in all, I really enjoyed this lesson. I felt like it would be very engaging towards the students. It presents a lot of information to build off of, and it also addresses the main point that systems have parts that work together in the natural and the design world. Thanks so much.